Union Minister Smriti Irani is holding a roadshow in Amethi at this point of time. You see those live visuals on your screens, viewers. Of course, she is expected to file her nomination for the constituency of Amethi very shortly. But for now, of course, a roadshow that is being held in Amethi at this point of time. Of course,
हमारे बीच में जगदीशपुर के सच्चे विधायक।
So you see, viewers, of course, the roadshow that's taking place, and of course, this is panning out to be one of the most anticipated political battles in the Lok Sabha polls. And of course, we know that Union Minister Smriti Irani is going to be filing her nomination for the constituency of Amethi. But of course, a lot of clarity is required from the side of the Congress. We still have no clarity on who from the Congress is going to be, is going to be contesting against her. Remember, viewers, during the 2019 elections, Union Minister Smriti Irani won the Amethi seat by a margin of 55,000 votes against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi.
अमेठी के जिला पंचायत के अध्यक्ष आदरणीय राजेश मसाला जी भी हैं। अमेठी तो हम जीते हैं, आज जब लड़की जीतेंगे, आज मोहन यादव जी का अभिनंदन। अमेठी की फुर्सत तो हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छी है। 1.5 किलोमीटर तक मुझे यह रथ यात्रा दिखाई पड़ रहा है। आप सभी बंधुओं का स्वागत है। धीरे धीरे यात्रा को आगे बढ़ाते रहें। हम सबके बीच में हमारे अजय एमएलसी आदरणीय शैलेंद्र प्रताप सिंह हैं, उनका भी स्वागत अभिनंदन है। हमें लागत बा ये अमेठी वाले कुछ ज्यादा ही वीरा मारे चक्कर में है। आज बहुत दिन बाद पाए रहा है रिश्तेदार का। बोलिए भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। मित्रों, मुझे दूसरा दिन याद है जब डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी लखनऊ में समाज के सम्मेलन को संबोधित करने के लिए आए थे। तो भारत माता की। ये थोड़ा दाएं बाएं चले, इसका अपना ये डीजे इसके सामने ही रहेगा। ये थोड़ा दाएं बाएं चलती रहेगी। मुझे याद है डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी लखनऊ में दूसरी बार जब मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद आए थे, तो अल्प समय में ही ये हुआ कि जो प्रमुख कार्यकर्ता है आ जाए। तो मुझे याद है कि लखनऊ में दीदी लखनऊ में जब 1 घंटे के लिए कार्यालय पर पहुंचे और थोड़ी सूचना में ही इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आए, और आए ही नहीं, अयोध्या में जो भगवान राम मंदिर का प्रारूप था, एक समाज के ऐसे व्यक्ति ने इतना बड़ा मंदिर भेंट किया कि वो जहाज पर अभी तक मध्य प्रदेश नहीं जा पाया, वो अभी भी लखनऊ कार्यालय पर रखा है। मैं सभी का स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। महापौर के अपने अयोध्या के गुरु आदरणीय गिरीश चंद्र त्रिपाठी जी का, जो कि आज इस नवनिर्वाचित सभा में शामिल हुए हैं। हमारे जिला अध्यक्ष हम राम के रहेंगे, राम मिश्रा जी, उनका भी स्वागत अभिनंदन है। अभिनंदन है अपने सभी हमारे पूर्व जिला अध्यक्ष गिरीश त्रिपाठी जी का। मित्रों, आज बड़ी संख्या में प्रधान डीडीसी से अमेठी की जनता उपस्थित है। आप सभी का स्वागत है। हमारे लोक दल के भी कार्यकर्ता आए हुए हैं, तो उनका भी स्वागत करता हूँ। एक धोनी ज्यादा न फेंको, बोले भारत माता की। अयोध्या के महापौर और अमेठी के कुलगुरु आदरणीय गिरीश त्रिपाठी जी भी हमारे बीच में है, उनका स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। बोले भारत माता की, भारत माता की, बोले भारत माता की।
course, mega rally there being held in Amethi at this point of time. Viewers, you can see the number of supporters that have gathered amidst this mega rally that's taking place. Of course, you can see flowers being showered at the union minister over there, who's also in fact accompanied by Mohan Yadav amidst this mega rally that's taking place. So, of course, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav also there at this rally, along with Union Minister Smriti Irani, who is going to be filing her nomination from Amethi today. So this, of course, a mega rally that is being held. Viewers, you can see the number of people who are out there at this rally in support of Smriti Irani.
बड़ी संख्या में शामिल हुए थे, उनका भी स्वागत करता हूँ। हमारे गौरीगंज के यहाँ की नगर पालिका के चेयरमैन और उनके प्रतिनिधि बड़ी संख्या में शामिल हुए हैं। मैं उनका भी स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। जगदीशपुर के आदरणीय राकेश सिंह का, राजेश सिंह का भी मैं हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूँ। भारत माता की मोदी जिंदाबाद। मोहन यादव स्मृति ईरानी एक कार्यकर्ता स्मृति ईरानी नाम से जानती हैं, उन कार्यकर्ताओं का नाम लेकर के अभिनंदन कर रही है, उनका भी स्वागत करते हैं।
So, of course, we are, of course, tracking this mega rally that is taking place in Amethi at this point of time. Remember, viewers, Union Minister Smriti Irani is expected to file her nomination very, very shortly. Her nomination for the constituency of Amethi. Remember, viewers, in 2019, Union Minister Smriti Irani won the Amethi seat by a margin of 55,000 votes against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. And of course, now only 8 days are left to file the nomination to contest from Amethi. Remember, viewers, Amethi is going to be contested in the 5th phase of the Lok Sabha polls.
योगी जी फिर से आई है, योगी जी माता जी, माता जी, देवी स्मृति ईरानी मोहन यादव, देवी स्मृति ईरानी मोहन यादव, राष्ट्रपति ईरानी के बीच में विधायक रोडोली से रामचंद्र यादव जी सुनारने वाले हैं। जातिवाद भी जैसे ही पहुंचे
So, of course, a mega rally that's being held in Amethi at this point of time. We, of course, see Union Minister Smriti Irani over there, who's expected to file her nomination from the constituency very shortly after this mega rally that is taking place at this point of time. Thousands and thousands of people out there in support of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, viewers, in 2019, Union Minister Smriti Irani won the historically known Gandhi bastion of the Amethi seat. And in fact, to give us more details on this, my colleague Nikita Sareen joins us on the broadcast. Nikita, a mega rally that's being held in Amethi, a lot of love and a lot of flowers that are, you know, being it's a lot of excitement that we can see on the ground. Give our viewers an understanding on the rally that's taking place and when exactly is Smriti Irani going to file her nomination?
Well, Bharatiya Janata Party leader Smriti Irani is all set to file her nomination today, and we are currently present in Amethi and continuously showing you the pictures here. You can see a lot of crowd here because Amethi is a very crucial seat, and Bharatiya Janata Party leader Smriti Irani will file her nomination today from Uttar Pradesh, and home turf for Gandhi family, and former Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is still unsure about contesting from Amethi, and Gandhi sibling reportedly convened a meeting to discuss who would contest from Amethi and Rai Bareli. And earlier it was indicated that Congress will finally decide on 26th April because there is a core committee meeting that was held in Delhi as respect to Congress, and the whole rally nomination process has been started, and along with the Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Bhagwat, he'll be presenting on this Rath with Smriti Irani, who is passing from this way, and you can see all road is with the flowers, and everyone is keenly interested, and lot of enthusiasm is clearly being seen with the people in Amethi. And Congress till now didn't make any statement regarding, haven't decided yet regarding the Amethi and Rai Bareli seats in Uttar Pradesh, which will consider stronghold for Congress until the 2019 election. And now let's have a picture towards that whole vehicle. That whole Rath is beautifully decorated, and Smriti Irani along with the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Mohan Yadav is available, and this whole Amethi and this whole Rath is going towards Collectorate office, where Smriti Irani will file her nomination today for 2024 Lok Sabha election, and lot of enthusiasm.
Absolutely, a lot of excitement there on the ground. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Mr. A.K. Jha, political analyst. Sir, a very good morning to you, and thank you so much for taking our time and speaking to us on News X. Now, of course, Union Minister Smriti Irani is expected to file her nomination in Amethi very, very shortly. But, let's circle back to 2019. Now, during 2019, the winning margin between Smriti Irani and Rahul Gandhi was a mere 55,000 votes. Now, once the Congress makes up its mind, what is it going to be like this time around? Is it going to be a fight, or is it going to be a sweep?
No. In any case, it is going to be a fight because the possibility of Rahul Gandhi if coming to Amethi once again, there are many people who will find that they are waiting for Rahul Gandhi to come to this place, because they find themselves at a loss that Rahul Gandhi had to leave this constituency, because this idea or this notion is already there in lot of people. But then again, I won't say that he is going to win. In any case, he will be losing this seat, as far as my own understanding goes, because in the meanwhile, Smriti Irani has done a lot of work in this particular area, and she has acquired a lot of acquaintances and a lot of own people in the particular constituency. So she would be not only giving good fight, but she is most likely to win. But in any case, when if Rahul Gandhi comes again, it will not be an easy fight for Smriti Irani. That is true. That is my own understanding at this moment.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.